Hi, thanks for stopping by. My name is Chris, and I have some cleaning motivation for you today, so if that's what you were looking for, keep watching.
'Cause everything you be is changing me, and I can't seem to get you out of my head, out of my head. I got time for you, I got time for you, so be mine.
I almost always start in the living room, usually because it's the easiest to clean and no one really sits in here, especially while I'm cleaning, so it doesn't get messed up again very quickly. I have enough of these wax warmers around my house. You would think that I would learn my lesson and know that they're hot, but every time I reach up to touch them and every time I burn my fingers. Speaking of hot wax, here's a little bit left over from that spill I had a couple weeks ago.
Let me give it all to you. I've been fighting everything you'll be, 'cause everything you'll be is changing me, and I can't seem to get you out of my head.
Just a friendly reminder to click that subscribe button if you have not done so already. So a couple weeks ago, when I spilled the wax all over my couch, I had removed all the cushions to wash them, which I did, and what you'll see here in just a few seconds, I think it's been maybe 2 weeks since I cleaned the cushions, and this is the amount of dirt, dust, pet dander, all of the above that came out of just one cushion.
Let me give it all to you. Give it all to you. Let me give it all to you.
I have the Dyson V8 Animal vacuum cleaner that I got for Christmas, and I really love it because it's so easy to switch out the attachments. I can clean crevices, my couch, the carpet, whatever, and it's so easy to switch everything out and so awesome for cleaning stuff like this.
Let me give it all to you. Wanna give it all to you. Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her.
Here's a close-up view of how filthy my couch is after just a couple weeks.
Who gets the better version of you? I need the bitter truth. I need the
Do you see that air plant in the corner right there on top of the entertainment center? I love that little air plant, but it's dead now. It only lasted about a month and I don't know how to keep it alive. I followed all the directions. I did exactly what they said, as often as they said, used the water they said, but it still died. Oh, I just watched myself move that basket and it made me sad because not only did my air plant die this week, my cat Bella died this week. And the only reason I had that basket there is because she had claws, and all of a sudden recently, I've had her for a long time, but recently she's taken to clawing on the back of the couch right there. So I put that basket to prevent her from doing that. And now I don't need that basket, so it's been moved. But Bella's no longer with us.
echo of your silence. I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She wants to start
If you're still watching, stay tuned to see what I do with these pool noodles from Dollar Tree.
Like a fire, unpredictable, so original. You were never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win.
I don't have enough space under my cabinet where I keep my pots and pans to use one of those actual pan holders where you stand them up or keep them separated. So a friend of mine gave me these pot separators that she got on Amazon, and I love them. That way I can stack them all together and not worry about them getting scratched up, and those little separators keep them separate. Have you seen the strawberry bug thing on TikTok, Instagram, the internet, basically everywhere? Well, this is the second time I've put my strawberries in salt water, and I'm very sad to report that I had no creepy crawlies come out of them either time. I love watching other YouTubers put their dishes in the dishwasher like this, and I'm always secretly judging them when they don't put their dishes where I think they should go.
I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you.
In my last video, I mentioned fixing the leak in my sink where my faucet turns off and on. The sprayer was leaking a little bit. Well, I fixed that, and now it doesn't leak anymore, but I broke the button.
Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
While I'm cleaning house today, my husband is installing a new floor in our bathroom and the laundry room. We recently had some foundation work done, and they had to tear up my wood floors, which are not replaceable. So while I'm doing all of this cleaning, you'll see him walking through every now and then, and he is putting new floors in for me.
lying next to you, feeling something brand new. And I haven't seen you in years, but I know you. Oh, I really missed you. Before when I met you, I never saw. No one ever saw the way.
Now, I have no idea why I do this, but I do this in every single video. When I'm finished with the dishes, I always dry the sink. But I do this in real life, not just for the video. I always dry the sink, but then I turn around and I get whatever cloth I'm using next, like in this instance will be my e-cloth to clean my counters, and then I get the sink wet again, which is pointless because then I just have to dry it again. If you don't have an e-cloth for cleaning your windows, I highly recommend it. These windows get very dirty because of the dog noses, feet, whatever, hands touching them because these doors are open so frequently during the day. And these e-cloths are absolutely fantastic for cleaning glass and stainless steel, but I especially love them on the glass here. You'll see in just a second. I'm cleaning the outside, which is even more filthy than the inside because of the outside dirt, but it just polishes them crystal clear, sparkling clean, and I just love how it turns out, even better than any cleaning product I've ever used. Since I took everything off of these shelves and dusted them a couple weeks ago, I've been doing a really good job at keeping up with them. Normally I dry dust them at least once a week, but today I'm just using the same all-purpose cleaner that I used the last time, and I'm just using my Dollar Tree microfiber cloth and just wiping everything down as well as the bookshelves to make sure that it stays dust and dog dander free.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Won't you?
I recently bought one of those covers to go over this chair, so even though I hate it, I don't want it to get messed up by the dogs laying on it all the time. So the little styrofoam things that come with the covers to push the seat cushions in or to put in the cracks to keep the seat cushions, whatever they are, they're so tiny and small, they come out whenever you sit on it or whenever it moves. So I went to Dollar Tree and I bought a pool noodle and I cut it into thirds and I measured it to the back and two sides and I shoved that into the cracks, and let me tell you, it does not budge. So if you have one of these covers for a couch or a chair, get rid of those tiny little crappy styrofoam things it comes with and get you a pool noodle from Dollar Tree.
Got me wondering why you still giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. Would've settled for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting. For your darling a zero, no hint of a hero. Now you're selling me stories, but I don't believe.
All of these boxes you see here in my kitchen came from my garage where they had been sitting. So I'm moving them into my room where I have my office set up because they are computer workstations for a test environment that I need to set up for work. So I'm finally getting them out of my garage and hopefully setting them up sometime soon. But right now I can tell you they are still sitting in the boxes in my room, not put together.
Now it's time for you to up and leave. I do believe, I do believe. Still you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. Would've settled for something, but I'm giving in with the...
I can also tell you those clothes in the basket at the end of my bed, also still there.
Now you're selling me stories, but I don't believe you. I do believe it. I do believe it. I do believe it. Still you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. Would've settled for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting. For your darling a zero, no hint of a hero. Now you're selling
turned around to put those dishes in the cabinet, and there were more dishes in the sink. Like, come on, can you please just put them in the dishwasher?
I do believe it. Oh,
Okay, finally the house is clean, dishes are done, sink is dry. I'm putting the last item away, and I turn around and, yep, trash. I swear that was not there just a second ago, but maybe it was. I don't know.
I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show them how I move.
If you're still here watching, thank you so much for staying to the end. I really appreciate it. Click that like and subscribe button for more cleaning motivation, and I will see you in my next video.
Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight, and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling